Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. This is Leo from Shenzhen Jetstar Electronics. I'm my honor to introduce our mobile DVR kits to you. At first, please see these packages. As you see, this is our English version packages. This is our hard drive mobile DVR and hidden main features. This is the some factions here. This is our SD card mobile DVR pictures. This is why is our certificates and the product mobile DVR kit list on here. Okay. This is our English version. This is our Chinese version. Okay. For now, I will introduce to you one by one to open the packages. Okay. At first, as you see, after your packages, after you open it, okay, you will see 4 cameras on here. This is the mobile DVR and monitors, and this is the cables. Okay. At first, I would like to introduce our mobile DVR kits. Mobile DVR kits. Okay, and you open it, you will see this one, and this is monitors. This is a 7-inch monitor, and with a VGA port for HD video view. And this is the user menus, and this is our mobile DVRs. Okay, as you see. This is our hard drive mobile DVR can support with 3G, Wi-Fi, 4G, USB, aviation connector, VGA port, and power port. And this is for hard drive front panel, and it can support to protect SIM card and hard drive. This model can support max 2 SD card and one hard drive. Okay. Okay. This is our monitor. We will use this later. And then we can see the cables. Okay. As you see, these cables. There are some accessories. I will show you one by one. Okay, this is brake kit for the monitors, and this is VGA port to connect this monitor with our mobile device. And this is for the GPS. This is the GPS antenna. Okay, this is motor remote control. Mobile DVR remote control, and this is 4G antenna. Okay, this is mobile keys, and this is power cables, and this is for extension cables. This is 5 meters 2 piece, 10 meters 2 piece. And this is power cable for the testing in your office. And this is sensor cables support 4-channel alarm input and 1-channel alarm output, and RS232 port and RS484 port. Okay, this is our accessories. Next, I will show you the cameras. As you see, the cameras can support 4-channel cameras. Okay, and this is let me check. This is our heavy-duty cameras. You can see like this. This is heavy-duty cameras. Okay, and this is the packages. This is I think this is side cameras for the right side or left side. Oh, sorry, this is dome cameras. Sorry. Okay, we have them here. And this one, this is the mid-dome cameras made for the driver, okay? And this one, should be the stand cameras, okay? This is stand cameras. Okay, this is our whole packages list. For mobile DVR kit, we have SD card kits and hard drive kits to be optional. Also, for the cameras, you can see, for the camera, you can choose different cameras for you, and we can customize some special color packages kit for you. Thanks very much. Bye bye.